Finding a string in pandas.Series using the in operator. Assuming I have the following pandas.Series. I can use the in operator to find any of the integers or booleans. Examples: the following all yield true. However, this fails when I do. My workaround is to use pandas.Series.str or to first convert the series to a list and then use the in operator. Any idea why I can't directly use the in operator to find a string in a series?
Any idea why I can't directly use the in operator to find a string in a series? Think of a series more like an ordered dictionary than a list. Membership testing in a series is of the index, like keys in a dictionary, not of the values. You could access the values via under the .values attribute.
The function you're looking for is series.str.match. Note this is doing a regex match, so it's very extensible. If you don't need an exact match, you can use series.str.contains. .any collapses the true-false series to a single value, as desired by the questioner. Alternatively, you can use the more general method series.esheen for exact matches. Note that you have to wrap Feynman brackets. Esheen requires list likes. In the comments, there was the question about finding np.nan. The above code works for that example as well. You can alternatively use the specific series.isna method, which is equivalent. The advantage of s.esheen is that it's agnostic to data types if you're looking to match on multiple possibles.
If you want to see more, research this video.